Hi, in this video we are going to be solving exponential equations. So the question says solve giving your answer correct to three significant figures. Part A says 3 to the power of x equals to 40. Now it's an exponential equation and we need to solve it to find the value of x. So we cannot convert 40 as a power of 3. So we can use the log form. We can convert this into the log form by taking log to the to the base 10 on both the side. So we can take log to any base, but the simplified log is log to the base 10. So I'm going to be taking log to the base 10 on both the sides. Applying logs on both the sides. So I can also express log to the base 10 as LG. LG means log to the base 10. So the result is going to be LG 3 to the power of x equals to LG 40. Now using the power rule, I can bring down x over here. So x times LG 3 to the power of x is same as saying x times LG 3, which is equals to LG 40. So x was being multiplied with LG 3, x value is going to be LG 40 divided by LG 3. Now I can find the value of x using the calculator. Log to the base 10 of 40 divided by log to the base of 3 is 3.3577. Three significant figures, that is going to be 3.36. Consider another example. 5 to the power of 2x plus 1 equals to 200. So 200 cannot be expressed as a power of 5, so we can convert this exponential form into the log form for simplification. We can apply logs on both the sides. So let's take log to the base 10 on both the sides. Okay, now using the power rule, we can bring down this as a product. So 2x plus 1 times log to the base 10 of 5 equals to log to the base 10 of 200. Now I'm going to be expressing log to the base 10 as LG. So 2x plus 1 is going to be equal to LG 200 divided by LG 5. So LG 200 divided by LG 5 comes out to be 3.292, which is equal to 2x plus 1. So solving this, x comes out to be 3.292 minus 1 divided by 2, that is 1.1460. In three significant figures, it's going to be 1.15. Okay, let's solve another example. We have to solve this exponential equation. 3 times 2 to the power of 2x minus 2 to the power of x plus 1 minus 8 equals to 0. Over here we have 2 to the power of 2x, which we can write as 2 to the power of x to the power of 2 using the rules of indices. And we can also split 2 to the power of x plus 1 as 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 1. The reason we are writing it down in this way is because we are going to be substituting 2 to the power of x. So using the substitution, let's say let k be equals to 2 to the power of x. So 3 times k square minus 2k minus 8 equals to 0. So 3k square minus 2k minus 8 is equals to 0. Now we can reduce down this and solve this using factorization or quadratic formula. It's going to give us two values of k. The two values are 2 and minus 1.3. Now, at the start of the question, we substituted k for 2 to the power of x, which means k was equal to 2 to the power of x. Okay, so from here we can compare this and x comes out to be equal to 1. And to solve this, if we apply logs on both the sides, we are going to notice that log of a negative number is not defined, so hence no solutions from here. So the only answer for this question is x equals to 1. Alright, now in this question part A, we have to show that 2 to the power of x plus 1 minus 2 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 15 can be written as 2 times 2 to the power of x minus half times 2 to the power of x equals to 15. So we just need to do some algebraic manipulation and we have to express the equation given in this form. So the first is 2 to the power of x plus 1 minus 2 to the power of x minus 1 equals to 15. Now if we split it down using the rules of indices, so it can be expressed as 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 1. And 2 to the power of x minus 1 can be expressed as 2 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of 1. So this becomes 2 times 2 to the power of x minus half times 2 to the power of x equals to 15. This is the form that they asked. Now in the second part, we need to find the value of 2 to the power of x. We need to find the value of 2 to the power of x. So let's substitute 2 to the power of x as y. So the equation reduces down to 2y minus half times y equals to 15. So let's solve this. 2y minus half y is 3 over 2y equals to 15. So y value comes out to be 30 upon 3, which is 10. So this means that 2 to the power of x, which is y, is equals to 10. The value of 2 to the power of x is 10. The third part says find the value of x now. So we have to solve this exponential equation for the value of x. So 2 to the power of x is equals to 10. So for what value of x is 2 to the power of x equals to 10? We can apply logs on both the sides. So using the power rule, we can express this as x times lg2 equals to lg10, and x value is equals to lg10 divided by lg2. And using the calculator, lg10 divided by lg2 gives us 3.32. That's the working for this. Thank you for watching this video.